Drop the gun. Drop the gun.
Get away from him. Get away from him.
Drop the gun.
Drop the gun right now.
Drop it. Ma'am, get the out of the way.
Down.
Shoot me.
No, drop the gun.
Drop the gun.
Shoot me.
We're not going anywhere.
Please shoot me.
Get out of the way.
Shoot me, man. Please.
Drop it.
Please shoot
We're not doing
me.
this.
Please shoot me.
He has a knife to his throat.
We're not doing this. Drop the gun.
Please shoot me.
No.
Please shoot me.
No. That's not how this works.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Please shoot me.
Drop the gun.
Please shoot me.
Jonathan eventually tossed the fake rifle onto the counter, but then took out a knife and pressed it into the side of his neck.
Listen to me.
Drop it.
Listen, it's not worth it, all right? We could do this.
No, it's not.
No, it's not. No, it's not. Come
We
on.
haven't done anything yet.
I'm already.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Why?
Do you know how much time I'm going to serve in prison?
For what?
Drop the gun.
Why?
I'm going to slice it. I swear to God. I want it back.
Let me help you out. Put down the knife and we'll
I
work.
want it
No.
back. Shoot me.
Put down the knife and
Shoot
we'll
me,
look.
man. I want to see how much power those things got. Shoot me.
No, come on, man.
Kyle,
We don't need
me,
that.
man. Come on, just shoot me, please.
I'm
Shoot
gonna
me.
take
Come
them.
on.
Shoot
Let
me.
us talk.
I was my mind. I
Yep.
need my stuff. Please.
Come on.
Just shoot me, man.
Don't do that. Come on.
Oh,
Not
you
how it
need
works.
to-
Please don't. Come on.
Ready?
Drop the knife,
You
please.
taste me, I'm slicing you.
Please.
Drop the knife.
Drop the knife, please. Drop the knife.
Drop the
I
knife.
need you to drop the knife on me. Down on the stomach. Down on the stomach. Down on the stomach.
Please just shoot me, man. Please.
We got the gun already.
Shoot me, man. Please shoot me. Those things hurt.
No.
Ow!
Under your leg.
Shoot me, man. Come on. Please
Three-way
just
in
shoot
custody.
me. Damn, that
What'd you expect?
holy
283 Sheriff Taser deployed. We got one in custody.
Dude, please get off my neck, man. Please.
You're not on your neck. Come on your shoulder.
Just shoot me, man. Come on, please.
Dude, it's not worth it.
Please shoot me,
not worth
man.
it.
I don't have a life anymore.
Everyone else can slow down.
Shoot me.
All right, roll over.
Oh, man. That
Sit up.
hurt. Is that her more than getting shot?
We got
I
Why?
lost my mind, man. Please just shoot me. Please just shoot me. Come on, guys. Shoot me.
Sending body worn down in 20 seconds. Sending body worn down
Please
in
shoot me, man.
15
Come on, please
seconds.
shoot me. Shoot me.
Sending body worn down
No,
in
it's
10
not over.
seconds.
Shoot me. You got a gun right there.
Body worn down canceled.
Shoot me, man. Come on, please shoot me. You just shoot me, man. Please.
It's not worth it.
Yes, it is. My life is over. I just fucked up. It's over. Shoot me, please. Put me on my own
Check
history.
you out and we'll go from there.
No,
right?
shoot me, man. Please just shoot me. Shoot me. Just shoot me, man. Come on, please.
Anything else in your pockets?
I got a knife on my left.
No,
If it
I
ain't fall
took
out.
that already.
Just shoot me, man. Come on. My life is over. Just shoot me. Come on. Just shoot me, man, please.
Yeah. Volkswagen. Volkswagen Jetta.
Can somebody please just shoot me? I'm begging you. Please fucking shoot me or I'm doing it myself.
No, you're going to jail now.
Can you just shoot me?
All right, here, stand up.
Can you help me out, man?
Yeah, we are. All right, we're gonna go outside.
Why can't you guys just fucking shoot me, man? I'm done. Just shoot me, please. Can you please just shoot me, man?
Is it even real? No, it's
It's
airsoft.
an airsoft gun, man.
Nice one.
Just fucking shoot me, please, man. Just fucking shoot me.
Here, go over to the
Fucking
fence.
hell, man. Jesus Christ. How much volts was that? Gosh dang.
Here, take a seat.
Can you please just shoot me, man? No, man, just shoot me.
Are you in the Navy?
No, I wanted to be, but I couldn't join. So.
Yeah. Yep.
Bro, just test the power that. Can you please just pop me off that? Come on. Can you please just shoot me, man? I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna do it. So, no, I'm gonna do it to myself. So can you please just fucking shoot me?
It's not happening, obviously, so you might as well stop asking.
I just lost my mind. I'm sick of people, man. I really am. You know, my life is already over. I'm gonna show you guys.
Is it even here?
It is. It's right there. We ran out of the plate. Comes back to him.
Nothing in there that you
No one
saw?
else is in there. I didn't see anything in plain view or anything.
All right.
Probation, there's no loss, no probation, and there's a restraining order against him.
You're out having pucks, you know? That's why I say, you guys, instead of tasing me, bro, fucking hurt, you should have just
That
shot
was
me.
him? That you just ran target?
You should have just shot me, dude.
I don't know.
Why didn't you guys just shoot me?
Was that your girl in there?
Hell no.
Oh. I'm just gonna go put this in the squad.
If I run up and...
While interviewing the woman, she thought back to the restraining order hearing and remembered Jonathan asking the judge if he could still buy a gun. Jonathan was charged with felony counts of stalking, making terrorist threats, ×2, false imprisonment, and misdemeanor violating a restraining order. In December 2022, he was found guilty of all felony charges. His misdemeanor charge was dismissed, but read in. During his hearing, Jonathan made a statement thanking the Kenosha County Sheriff's deputies for saving his life and ending the incident peacefully. Sergeant Sanchez and Sergeant Coltrip was the first 2 deputies to arrive at the store. Due to their response to the situation, everyone escaped unharmed from a potentially fatal incident. Ultimately, Jonathan was sentenced to 5.5 years in prison and 6 years of extended supervision.